full of water, a hyperactive host, a recipe for disaster, don't you think?
I must warn you that what you're about to witness will either be television gold or could go very, very badly wrong.
Predicting the weather for today from all over the UK, it's the one and only Keith Lemon.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What's the weather doing?
The weather right now, it's just sort of grey, but let me tell you the weather like a proper weatherman. Yeah?
Yes.
It's gonna rain here, next to this thing here. It's gonna rain here. This is gonna rain. It's gonna rain here. There's gonna be a tornado, that might happen. But later on, I think it's gonna cool, get really cool. There's a man! Yes! There's a man! There's a man! Here, use that to float with. Use that, here, save yourself. Yeah, it's gonna be rainy really, like it always is. But, you know, let's stay positive and hopefully it'll get really sunny. This is all right, isn't it, Philip?
Thank you very much indeed.
I love it. I love the fact he's just shouting, "There's a man! There's a man!"
Oh, that's
Help him up! Oh, that's brilliant. I love it. I love it.
His name's jumped over. Well done, I think it only happens in Liverpool. That went well, didn't it? Good bit of telly.